Ever noticed how some people sneeze when they step into bright sunlight? That's not just a quirky habit, it's called the photic sneeze reflex. Believe it or not, about 10 to 35% of us have this fascinating trait. Scientists think it happens because the brain's signals for light and sneezing pathways get crossed. So, when you're hit by that bright light, your body confuses the signals and sneeze. It's like your brain is saying, sunshine equals sneeze time. So, if you're one of the lucky ones who sneezes at the sight of the sun, embrace it. You're part of a unique club that makes the world a little more interesting.